My video tutorial will provide you with help to get rid of the ransomware called Povlsomware. Povlsomware is the ransomware type infection. It is able to considerably damage the files that users store on their hard drives. Before the ransomware attack, there are no troubles opening any file types, pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and all other data. Sadly, because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities in the computer, this Povlsomware may be injected into the system. So these are the consequences of the ransomware attack. The ransomware reveals this ransom note that indicates that your files have been encrypted. It tells the victims that they need to pay a special ransom for file restoration. However, paying the ransom is certainly not a good solution. This does not guarantee the file restoration, so don't waste your money. Don't ever pay that ransom. I recommend you to remove this ransomware with the help of reliable antivirus programs such as Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the official page combocleaner.com. So download the software, install the program, and then start the application and begin researching the computer. The software will be initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. Click on this Start Scan button and begin researching and investigating the computer. Combo Cleaner has got anti-ransomware feature which allows you to add one or several folders that would always be protected against ransomware attacks. However, this feature is the part of the premium license only. Also, keep in mind that Combo Cleaner does not decrypt files. It helps to remove this ransomware, it helps to protect your files from further ransomware attacks, but it does not decrypt the files, and there is no any other antivirus which would be able to decrypt the files. At the end of the scanning, you'll see a summary of infections. You'll be able to know their locations. So premium license is what you need for getting your files always protected. Please find a special link in the description to this video, which will give you more information on how to recover your data.